The morning report for 19th of August 2011. As we've been saying for quite some time now, at least the last couple of days, is we're talking about whether the market could move higher up to 4,500 or whether it wouldn't find the support and would fall. And obviously after last night's effort, we saw some growing fears about a global recession, and economic data coming from the US was a bit grim. So we saw the US market take a tumble, and the Dow Jones was down 3.6%, S&P 500 down 4.6%, and the Nasdaq down 5%. Now, our market did close down yesterday, down 1.2% in both the All Ords and the ASX 200. So today I expect we'll probably be down around 2–2.5%, getting back close to that 4,100 level. Look, in my eyes, this is probably the start of retesting the lows we've seen earlier this month, and the low was around 3,775 points. So I expect we may see the market get back to the 3,800s, and hopefully that's where it will pull up, which will indicate a good bull market coming from there. So what do we do? Look, we've been waiting to see what the market would do the last week or so, and certainly I think this is going to be the start of a great buying opportunity to get the last of the cash for those who want to be fully invested in the marketplace over the coming weeks, and sit back then and watch it grow, get the long-term growth of the portfolio and pick up the income. As far as a global recession coming, yes, economic downturn trends have been around for quite some time. The only one talking it up at present are the politicians, and certainly Gillard and Swan have been working very hard to try to convince Australians that the economy isn't slowing, which it clearly is. We look here at home in North Queensland, unemployment rate is running at 7.5%. It's probably well above the average of what we're seeing Australia-wide, but certainly we are also up in the area where the coal and the mining happens. So from my view, the economy has been slowing for quite some time. You have to drive around Townsville to see the number of shops that have closed recently, and I suspect that this will continue on as we go through a slowdown in economics conditions. We certainly have seen the market drop, and now we're going to see the housing prices drop, and we're going to see just a general slowdown as people stop gearing up, stop borrowing, start paying off some debts, and get back to a bit of a sensible lifestyle, which will be coming through the next couple of years. But for the investor, this is a great opportunity. I think we're seeing the lows coming through. It's a good opportunity to get the cash in the market, pick up good yields. You're picking up banks yielding 10% at these prices. 10% yield per annum is fantastic, and you can hold that for 3 to 5 years and wait for the growth to come through. If you have any questions or queries, give us a call or go to our website at growyourwealth.com.au.